Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to change line weight. So for example, I will create line object. You can type line, press enter, and then I will create in it with length like into 100 and press enter. Now if you want to change line weight in this line object, you can select the line object and then you can go to properties tab. In line weight, you can change in here, default to be set by layer. So you can click and then I will change like into 0,3. And to show in your drawing area, you can activate the line weight tools. You can click at this triple line icons and then you can click on the line weight. Now you can click these icons to activate the line weight. That's it. I will create again line in this point. And then I will select this line object. Click line weight on the properties. And then I will set like into 0,5. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial. How to change line weight. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.